You tell me it gets better in time. You say I pull myself together, pull it together, you'll be fine. Tell me what the hell do you know? What do you know?
My birthday is coming next month.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm organizing a photo shoot, but you better wear something nice.
You go, girl.
The brand, guys, you know, like Gucci.
Yeah.
On social media.
Yeah.
Speaking of Gucci, I saw this other bag.
Yes.
Oh my God, it was 800, but I really want that. I'm telling you. Exactly, there's this other one I saw, like it's wide. Wait.
How would you know till it happens to you? You don't know how it feels. How it feels till it happens to you.
So, ladies, I'm not coming to school tomorrow. So I was just wondering if you can give this book to Mr. Jacobson.
Oh,
It's family business.
okay.
So I was wondering if you guys can like give Mr. Jacobson this book.
Okay, cool.
Thank you so much.
Hi, ladies. Trish, let's go.
Are you kidding me? Can't you see I'm with my girls? Guys, I can't imagine that guy just came to me and asking me to work with him. Damn, it's so dirty. Like,
Seriously,
I can't even picture myself walking.
no.
And be strong. 'Cause when you fall, you gotta get up. You gotta get
Guys, I think we've chatted for too long now. I have to get going.
Okay.
It was nice seeing you guys.
It was bye.
Bye, guys.
Check that lady there. Can you see it? Nice.
I can see, my guy.
Nice lady, man.
I must do something, man. Hey, I can see.
how I feel. How I feel.